Me and Angelica Pickles are going to eat Jade's Oreo Blizzard at Dairy Queen, because we feel in the mood for some Oreo Blizzard.
Great idea, Stephanie. Now let's go dig in.
Oh, my God. Stephanie and Angelica Pickles. I can't believe you ate my Oreo Blizzard. That's it. I'm calling your dads right now to pick you up.
Stephanie
and Angelica Pickles. We can't believe you ate Jade's Oreo Blizzard at Dairy Queen. That's it. Both of you are grounded for 5 weeks. Let's go home right now.